Just imagine dealing with this kind of trauma for 6 years. Say, you know, say, some bad people, now they can't kill una people. And see the number of people where we say don't die. You feel point, you feel count. And there were 518 people.
That's a lot.
If they inside this place, you will know say people there. Yes, now,
they go choke.
518. And now because of this badness, now in then die. And then you check the consistency of this badness. It can't be like, say, we don't reach the point where we dey helpless. So anything we want happen, make it happen. No, now, we're not supposed to reach that level. We're not supposed they adopt what they call defeatist method, where we go talk, say, what we go cuckoo do. Now, so it happen. No. The responsibility of government, the people where we say, we surrender our powers to, now for them to use the resources of state and the apparatus and apparatchik to see, say, they protect us. Why you go be commander-in-chief of the armed forces? Why you go be chief security officer? Why you go be inspector general of police? Why you go be chief of defense staff? And yet, people go to die anyhow. And most times you go talk, say, the perpetrators will be brought to book. We don't tire for the book. We don't tire. Do everything what you do to protect the people of Nigeria. No Nigerian, they're more important than other Nigerians. Every life supposed get value. True. And we suppose they show action to show, say, we really care about people and want to protect them. True. The only news when people they hear mostly about Southern Kaduna, it can't be like, say, those people, then they cost or they swear for them. It's not supposed to be like that. Why we know if you wake up one day here and say, the people when they do this badness, they don't do investigation, reach down, they don't carry all of them. And the people of Southern Kaduna can live in peace. I shudder at the statistics when go come out. If we just leave Atyap Chiefdom, can't go other chiefdoms, can't gather the thing together. Now human beings will talk about lives that have been lost. It's very heartbreaking.